Hello students, today I came with a new topic, the coastal plains. In our previous class, we discussed about plains, a large flat piece of land which doesn't change much in elevation. We can define that as plain. Let's go to the next word. Coastal, coast, shore, shore. A piece of land that is connected with ocean or sea. We can call that coast or coastal. Now you club these two words, you can understand easily. A flat piece of land, a flat piece of land next to ocean and sea. Look at the map again carefully. Where do we find? You will get two places word plains. Northern plains is written the next one, coastal plains, right? Okay, how these plains have been formed? Because of the depositional action of the rivers and the erosional and depositional action of the sea. Why? You can see that they are located next to sea, so naturally erosion can be expected. At the same time, depositional act is also possible. That's why we can understand this easily. And these are formed recently. These landforms are the new one, not the old one. When they have been formed, Pliocene to the present time, Pliocene 5.3 million years to 2.5 million years. So in geography, these figures are the recent one, right? Let's move to our topic. We're discussing about coastal plains. Look at the map again carefully. Which side of Peninsula India do you find these plains? Both sides. You can see them just like strips. West and east. On the west side of Peninsula Plateau and on the east side of the Peninsula Plateau you can find, okay? More specifically, if we speak that, then, okay, getting me, dear? Look at the map again carefully. So we were discussing about the plains. What we were discussing? Plains. Which plains? Coastal plains. Let's see map again. Watch it carefully. Where west coast is located? Where west coast is located? Between Arabian Sea and Western Ghats. Between Arabian Sea and Western Ghats. Now you look at eastern coast, where its location? Between Bay of Bengal and Eastern Ghats. Let's see where does west coast begin and end? It begins at Rann of Kutch and ends at Kanyakumari. Then what's the case of east coast? It begins at Mahanadi in Odisha and ends at Kaveri Delta. Ends at Kaveri Delta. You see, let me clear one thing. We are following textbook. Some textbook they started from Bengal side also. Okay, what is in textbook? We are following that. That's the criteria for us. Look at the map again carefully. What we were learning? We were learning about these coastal plains. West coast is uneven, broken and hilly, and east coast is quite opposite to this. West coast, look at the map again. West coast is narrower than the east coast. Look at the map. You will get almost every point from map. Okay, how much width is there? 10 to 80 kilometers of west coast. And east coast is broader. West we said narrower, this one broader than the west coast. Width is changing 100 to 120 kilometers. You look at the map carefully. Where Godavari Krishna Delta comes, you will find more width in this case. Okay, and you look at the map again carefully. We will get local names. Let's see local names of west coast. Northern part of west coast we call Konkan coast. Maharashtra and Goa are the part of this. They are north side, right? Next one, next to Maharashtra and Goa, which state do we get? Karnataka. And this coast is called Canara coast. Next we move to the southern part of this west coast that we call Malabar coast. Which coast? Malabar coast. Major part of the Kerala comes in this category. Let's move to east coast. We discussed west. Local names. Utkal coast, nothing but Odisha coast. You see that during when you sing national anthem, you say Utkala, Vanga, some places Banga, Benga, you say that. No, Utkala, nothing but Odisha. Next one, Circar coast. Circar, you might have heard this word. What do we call that? Since Mughal times, this word is in use for denoting, pointing out districts. For districts, they use the word Circar. Okay, from them they pass to Nizam government. So Nizam, Circar, district of Nizam governments, and from Nizam, this one passed to Britishers. Pardon me, Britishers. So here we are saying Circar. Okay, that was coastal area. That's why it has been named as Circars. What do we call that? Circar coast. Next we move to Coramandal coast. This name from Chola Mandalam, Chola dynasty. You can recall it. You can recall history. Chola Mandalam. And now Coramandal. We are pronouncing that coast. Tamil Nadu coast. Next we move to rivers. Look at the map again carefully. West flowing rivers. Narmada, Tapi, Mahi, Sabarmati. Can you get this? West flowing rivers. Next one, you look at east flowing rivers. Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri. Few important rivers we counted here. Okay. Next, look at the map carefully. West flowing rivers and east flowing rivers. Which one are big? East flowing rivers are big and west flowing rivers are small. The small rivers are swift, fast, and you see that they do not form delta. Their length is less, and east flowing rivers length is a big one. They are large, they are big, they are big one, and they form delta. They are not as swift as west flowing rivers. Getting me? Next we move to lakes. Look at the map again. I repeat my words. You might have fed up. I repeat my words again and again. Look at the map. Lakes. Can you see lakes? Of course you can. West side you can find shallow lagoons and backwaters. Okay. Government definition is not there. Official definition is not there regarding what do we call that lagoons and lakes. Okay, but some technical, some definitions are there which are accepted, which are in use. Okay, these lagoons and backwaters we find west coast. What is that? One example I have taken, well known one, popular one, Ashtamudi lagoon. Okay, these are shallow there. Next we move to east coast. Chilika Lake, Kolleru Lake, Pulicat Lake. Chilika, you can find Chilika Lake you will find in Odisha, which is the largest freshwater lake. Next one, Kolleru in Andhra Pradesh, you can find it easily. The next one is Pulicat, located between Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. We move to the last one. I went for I went for comparative studies so that you can remember. Very frequently they ask this question, that's why I went for, and sometimes it is very easy to understand when we go for the comparative studies. Last point, agriculture. In case of agriculture, east coast has been developed a lot, and few deltas of east coast are called granaries. Granary, just like granary, Dhanyagar, they are called. And compared to east, west has not been developed so much. Thanks a lot for giving your precious time. Thanks a lot. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you.